What's up, YouTube?
Zooming over right here, David and Neil. And look, there's a big train coming. Here right now.
Zoom. Going crazy.
It's a big one. If it's a freight train, I swear to God, it's gonna be so exciting.
Yeah, he's a big fan of trains.
Yeah, these
But
cars
I am decent about trains, but I just follow what he does because he's an awesome friend.
Oh, it's really big now. It's really big.
Oh, baby, a triple. Woo!
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, the flash works now.
Dude, zoom in on the train. Focus on the train.
Focus on the train, baby.
It's really big.
Why are you plugging your ears?
Because these crossing gates are loud. And look down there.
Look at the camera.
Look down there.
Hey, David, look at the camera.
Dude, we might get a double shot again.
Oh, red eyes.
Yeah, thanks a lot, jerk. I'm joking.
No, it's okay. I'm with you.
Oh, look, there's the train. The big train.
Done. Back up, boy.
Show the crossing gate.
The crossing gates.
And
Of
look,
the litness.
I heard another train coming. Give me a double shot, dude.
Wait.
Another train coming.
So that means we're gonna see 42. Oh wait, we saw two others.
It's
Those
2
guys-
in 1. It's 2 in 1 shot.
Yeah, again. I thought we have seen like 6/7 trains today.
Film this.
How many? That? Hey, it's not that long.
Dude, wait, look down there. There's another one coming.
Holy bit!
Another one's coming.
Back out of the way. What the cunt? No, I'm just kidding.
Dude, there's another one coming.
Scott Starling!
Oh yeah. Zoom, hit the train.
Okay.
What a shot.
I personally took a burst while doing that.
All right, let's do it. Let's end the video. That was an incredible video, by the way.
See ya. Sleeping over, bros?
Out.